Now, the third species concept is the ecological species concept. This is, to me, one of the weakest species concepts, but also one of the most fascinating. Now, the thing is, the ecological species concept is based on whether any two animals or more fills the same niche. Now, if you don't know what a niche is a role in the environment that is played by a certain animal or certain body structure or multiple animals. So, some animals might fill two different niches if they're in two different ages. We used to think that was true for the tyrannosaur, but it's not. But other animals do fill two different niches based on their age. And if you ask an ecologist, say one vulture is from the west world and one is from the east world, the ecologists would still say they are the same species, even though they are not that closely related. Because if you didn't know that, they are not actually closely related. They're just called vultures, but they're two different whole groups. So yes, that it's very weak, but there's something fascinating about it, and that it is used for de-extinction. The best image for de-extinction is colossal. We all know about colossal. They've quote-unquote brought back the direwolf from extinction, which is true to some levels. And the reasoning is because the animal fills the same niche in the ecosystem. It looks like that animal, it behaves like that animal, or if it doesn't, we'll train it to behave, and it can do the things that the original animal does. So, all we have to do is put that animal in the missing niche, right? And then the entire ecosystem will be balanced again. The best example is the Tasmanian tiger and just Australia as a whole, where once we killed the Tasmanian tiger, the ecosystem collapsed. So if colossal does what it does, takes a closest living relative, edits that relative's DNA, and makes sure that it's physically or morphologically similar to the original species, it will bring balance to the